In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use offline Google Docs. If you want to keep working on an important document, even when your internet connection drops, this feature is incredibly useful. Google Docs can save a version of your file to your device so you can continue reading, editing, and making changes without being online. Then, once your connection comes back, those updates will sync automatically. To get started, open your Google Doc. Make sure you're in the document you want to use offline. It's a good idea to do this while you still have an internet connection because Google needs a moment to prepare the file for offline access. If the document is already open in your browser, you're ready for the next step. Now go to the top left area of the screen and click on File. This opens the main document menu where you'll find options related to saving, sharing, downloading, and document settings. The offline option is located here because it changes how the file is stored and accessed on your device. From the File menu, click Make Available Offline. Once you select this, Google Docs will begin enabling offline access for that document. Depending on your browser setup, Google may take a few seconds to save the necessary information locally. If this is your first time using offline mode, you may be prompted to allow offline access in Google Docs. Just follow the on-screen instructions if that appears. After that, your document is ready for offline use. You can continue working in your Google Doc as usual, even if you lose internet access later. That means you can type, edit, delete content, and make formatting changes just like you normally would. When you reconnect to the internet, Google Docs will sync your changes automatically in the background, so your latest edits are updated online. One helpful tip is to enable offline access before you actually need it. Don't wait until your connection is gone, because the document has to be prepared in advance. Also, if you use multiple documents regularly, you'll want to repeat this process for each file you need offline, and that's all it takes to enable and use offline Google Docs. It's a simple setting, but it can make a huge difference when you're traveling, dealing with unreliable internet, or just want peace of mind while working. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.